Welcome to Had6 channel. In this video, we will look into image. 8 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Conception, which means an abstract idea. Conception. For example, his conception of democracy. Number 2. Impression, which means an idea, feeling, or opinion about something or someone, especially one formed without conscious thought or on the basis of little evidence. Impression. For example, his first impressions of Manchester were very positive. Number 3. Concept, which means an abstract idea. Concept. For example, structuralism is a difficult concept. Number 4. Idea, which means a mental impression. Idea. For example, our menu list will give you some idea of how interesting a low-fat diet can be. Number 5. Thought, which means an idea or opinion produced by thinking, or occurring suddenly in the mind. Thought. For example, a thought came to me as to how we should proceed. Number 6. Notion, which means a conception of or belief about something. Notion. For example, children have different notions about the roles of their parents. Number 7. Vision, which means an experience of seeing someone or something in a dream or trance, or as a supernatural apparition. Vision. For example, the idea came to him in a vision. Number 8. Fancy, which means an unfounded or tentative belief or idea. Fancy. For example, I've a fancy they want to be alone. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.